Have you ever built an AI chatbot that completely forgets what you said just a few seconds ago? You tell it your name, then you ask, "What is my name?" And the chatbot responds, "I don't know." This is one of the most common problems beginners face when building AI applications. The reason is simple: the chatbot has no memory. So, in today's video, we are going to understand what chatbot memory is, why it matters, and how you can implement it using Python and Ollama. So let's get started by first seeing the practical, and then I'll go through the code walkthrough by explaining it. What does without memory means and what does with memory means with the AI applications. Let me show you the practical first, where you will understand what is happening with the AI chatbot memory. And here are, we'll go with two scenarios. First, basically, the AI applications does not have memory in terms, they don't have the history of the previous conversations. First, start with the AI application without memory. Let me try to run this. And we have a prompt as a chatbot. And now let me try to write any prompt and see how this application behaves. Suppose if I give, "What is my name?" This is the expected response because the AI memory does not have my name. Okay, so now let me give my name to the AI application and let's see if it remembers the memory in its history or not. Okay, so I will give the prompt as, so now I have given a specific name and it has given a response where it says accordingly, which is also expected, right? Now let me see by another prompt and let's see if it remembers my name or not. So see, as per the response, this is the scenario which I was trying to explain, where now the AI application does not have my name as a previous history, right? So this is basically what it means as a without memory in the AI application. Now it does not remember the previous history. So let me try to run this application. Yeah, it has a prompt. So let me give the same examples. Okay, now it responds. And if I ask now, yeah, see, right? So now it has the history in terms of it remembers the previous conversations, it remembers the previous history. So in AI application without memory, let's understand what is behind the scene. So basically, what is happening here, as per the code, what prompt message you gives, that is the latest message, right? And it only understands the current message and not the previous message or a conversation. Yeah. And now let's compare it with the AI application with memory, where basically what is happening here, it is creating a chat history and it appends the messages which are from the previous conversations or from the previous history. And in the response, we are giving the message as a chat history. So every message which or every message it comes, it appends in the list and it remembers the previous conversation. So this is the difference between the AI application without memory and AI application with memory. So I hope by this concept and by this practical demo, you might have understand about the AI application, the memory part of it. This was all for today. And next I'll come up with more exciting and learning videos. Till then, stay tuned, keep learning, and don't forget to subscribe this channel.